In today's video, I'm going to teach you Direct Selection Tool A. By the end, you'll feel comfortable shaping paths precisely by clicking and dragging the parts that control your vector artwork. Think of a vector shape as a collection of paths made up of anchor points. Those points define where a line bends or turns, and the Direct Selection Tool is your way to grab those exact points or the line segments between them and make targeted adjustments. With the Direct Selection Tool active, click directly on a path or on a specific anchor point to move it. When you click on a path segment, you're selecting that line itself. Drag to nudge it into place, and you'll see the neighboring anchors respond, subtly reshaping the contour. If you click on an anchor point, you'll usually see it become highlighted, confirming it's selected. Now drag that anchor to a new position to adjust the structure of your shape. This is perfect for cleaning up corners, tightening alignments, or refining a silhouette. If precision matters, zoom in so each movement is deliberate and use gentle drags rather than big jumps. If you ever move the wrong thing, a quick undo lets you step back without worry. To reshape curves, drag anchor points or their handles. On curved segments, selected anchors show direction handles, little control levers that influence the arc. Dragging a handle adjusts the curve's slope and radius, giving you fine control over how quickly a line bends and where it eases in or out. Lengthening a handle makes the curve broader, shortening it tightens the bend. Changing the angle steers the curve's direction, so small movements can have a big visual impact. Some anchors are smooth and display handles on both sides for continuous curves. Others are sharp corners and may not show handles at all. If a point has handles, work with them to maintain fluid transitions. If it doesn't, moving the anchor itself will change the angle where segments meet, creating crisp, angular shifts. A few practical tips will keep your edits clean. Make sure you're using the Direct Selection Tool, not the regular selection tool, so you're moving only the path or anchor you intend. Watch the highlighting to confirm what's selected before you drag. Use short, incremental adjustments and check the surrounding contours to preserve balance across the shape. And remember, these edits are non-destructive, so explore confidently and refine